I'm sorry guys, because I'm really more focused about to read the article, especially about the conflict cultural. By the way, talk about conflict culture is not only from Indonesia, even though it's can from the outside, such as like USA, UK, or any especially from the other country has the conflict itself. Indonesian is so many conflict, even is because a small conflict such as they have a different opinion to other origins, but in the our city, especially Tarakan, is has a popular conflict, especially cultural conflict is a big about between two different origins, such is Tidongnis and tourists from Bugis. Uh, why this conflict can be okay, started because uh, the oldest from the oldest people I'm sorry, the oldest people in our culture itself is just like a leader because they know about what the culture or anything else about our origins. But why I said before the crash between two different origins, Tidongnes and Bugis, because the oldest from the Tidongnes passed away, and this impact the impact from this conflict get five get five people passed away, and 1,000 people is to their move their uh, house to live. And I remember when I still school, because this conflict, our city, especially Tarakan, has a lockdown, so the other origins or areas can to come or didn't to come to in Tarakan because this conflict. And I remember when my father said, "You must be careful because at outset their conflict is not only just there to argue about the difference or maybe anything else that's really easier or maybe a simple conflict, but it's more dangerous because I still remember my father said because they even really can cut the head, uh, even use the weapon like I don't know what the weapon they use, but I remember the father said is they even get this the neck or the head is cut off from the body. So about the impact is not only the neck but even the store. They get it's really crushed and burned. and they really have the so dangerous impact. And why this conflict can to finish, because I read the article is after a long day, uh, this conflict is finished because they meeting and get about wait, I'm sorry, meeting and in front of these two communities, and af- after the conflict, it's not like we have a really so really really happy, or maybe finally the conflict is finished, but it still have the impact from this conflict, because we still have the feelings how horrible or horrible about this conflict. And so I just really have the simple words, because it is when we have the conflict, we must to trying to speak it too slowly and use our cool use a cool head, not only to use your anger to other, and that's really can make the happen. It's really more horrible. So that's all I can say about the conflict culture, because this conflict is really famous from this our country, especially in Tarakan. So see you. So that's all I can say, and goodbye.